Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your friends list so you can see when they're online on your Nintendo Switch. So just go back to the home screen here, and then go to your page in the upper left side of the screen. So you can see mine is Timbo's page right here. Let's go and select it with A. Then under here, we can go to our friends list. So if we have a friend online, we should be able to see them online under here. Otherwise, you can go to their name, you can see how long they have been offline. So Ethan has been offline for 42 minutes, Joshua has been offline for an hour, and these two people have been offline for probably at least a month. So you can go to their name and you can select best friends. You can go to options, you can view their history. So here's their play activity. So this person played Minecraft for 25 hours or more. They watched a lot of YouTube and played a lot of Fortnite. So at any point in time, you can see your friends list here, and you can go down to add friend, and then you can go to search with friend code. So you're going to get a friend code, and mine is located down here on the bottom. Just get that from your friend, then go to this section and type it in, and you don't need SW, you just need the numbers. Once you type that in, you should be good to go, and they should show up under your friends list now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.